Hi there. As you've seen before in previous videos, I have made my own beats. But this one isn't a beat pad that I downloaded. This is a beat pad I made out of my own voice things. While I'm not going to be able to make it up on the spot because I just made one, I do have one for you right now that you might like. Alright, here you go.
Oh yeah! Wow! 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 Oh yeah!
Alright, now that is good enough if you're not me. What I'm gonna do is right here I can record certain things like I'll hit record right now. It's a beat pad, you can get it on iTunes. I mean, it's $9.99, but it's worth it, being the fact that you can sell your own beats. How amazing is that? You can sell them. You make your money back easily. Although I haven't sold any of mine. If you want to buy them, I'd be more than happy to. $10 each. But here, eats. Alright, I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that sound. Unsys. That's what I call it. Unsys. Aha! Okay. Aha! Alright, now I'm going to save that. Ha. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it back up to the speakers.
Oh yeah! Wow! Oh yeah! Wow! Oh yeah! Wow! Oh yeah! Wow! Oh
Alright. Again, please give me a name for that one, because I cannot come up with a name for that. Alright, so. Come up with the name.